In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transform a simple motivational message into a compelling and impactful script for a 30-second video. We'll start by opening ChatGPT and initiating a new chat. In this first step, you'll want to craft a prompt that asks the AI to write a motivational video script about the power of perseverance, emphasizing the importance of never giving up. This is a crucial part of the process as it sets the stage for your final product. Once you've got the initial script from ChatGPT, your next task is to refine it. Your goal here is to make the script punchier and more appealing. Consider breaking down the script into 1 to 2 short sentences per line, simplifying the language to a grade 6 reading level. This step ensures that your script is not only direct and clear, but also accessible to a wide audience. It's also helpful to end the script with a memorable line, something that will stick with the audience long after they've finished watching. After you've fine-tuned the script and are satisfied with its flow and impact, you may want to generate hooks or captions. These are short, attention-grabbing lines that align with your script, each no longer than 6 words. Crafting 10 different options will give you versatility, allowing you to choose the perfect hook that will draw viewers in right from the start. Once you're happy with your final script and hooks, it's time to compile everything together. Return to ChatGPT to copy your polished final script. This version should reflect all the revisions and adjustments made for clarity and engagement. With the script in hand, head over to InVideo.io. This platform will be where you bring your words to life. Simply paste your script into the appropriate section and follow the guidelines to create a visually appealing video that matches the energy of your motivational message. Remember to align your visual elements with the tone and pace of your script, ensuring everything works together seamlessly to inspire your audience. Throughout this process, it's essential to keep your end goal in mind, conveying a powerful and motivational message that resonates with your viewers. Stay focused on simplicity, clarity, and emotional impact, and you'll be well on your way to creating a standout motivational video.